I didn't start this channel because I'm a semi-pro bodybuilder or because I'm a doctor. I built this from losing everything and finding my way back. Decades of misdiagnosis, pain and fatigue nobody could explain. I started because I lost decades, precious, irreplaceable years, and I don't want you to lose yours. From the outside, everything looked fine. I was functioning, going to work, showing up, but inside my daily life was pain itself. And the worst part was not knowing why. You wake up in the morning and your brain is like an empty white surgical room, dry, sterile, no words. The morning coffee conversation with colleagues, impossible. You go home after work and the first thing you do is lie down. Not because you're lazy, because there's nothing left. Your social life gone, and the hardest part to accept, I was so athletic in my 20s, my 30s. The first thing people said when we met was, wow, your skin, your energy, your drive. Back then, I trained every day. I looked at people who were overweight and unwell. I thought, just eat better, just move more. I had no idea. And slowly, without understanding why, I felt like I had jumped straight to my 80s. My skin was dying, my body was unrecognizable, my mind was unreachable. Here's what was actually happening. Chronic endometriosis, gut contamination, food intolerances I didn't know I had. Not because I didn't care, because when your body is in chronic fight mode, everything non-urgent gets deprioritized. That's not a character flaw. That's biology. Hypothyroidism, surgical menopause, chronic inflammation running underneath all of it. Your list might look different, but the feeling, I guarantee, is the same. And in the meantime, I spent so much money, so much energy on the wrong things at the wrong time. Then I kept hearing the same thing. It's stress. It's normal for your age. It's in your head. At one point, you get convinced. And I told myself, I'll deal with it later. Later. And then later almost came too late. I was not doing the wrong things because I was ignored. I was doing the wrong things because nobody had identified the right problem yet. There's a difference, and it matters. And you have to walk in knowing your own story because nobody else will carry it for you. And when everything finally fell on my lap, I stopped and I started studying like my life depending on it, because it did. Hormones, inflammation, every trigger, every system, every connection, years of research, clinical papers, trial and error, rebuilding from scratch. And things paid off. It was up and down, but a gradual upward trend. Not just on the scale, my face changed, the puffiness left, the skin that was dying came back. And I will tell you something I never thought I would say. I honestly do not envy my athletic 20-year-old body anymore. Not younger, not the same, just better. And for the first time, working with me, not against me. If you've been told it's just aging, just stress, just eat less and move more, whoosha, whoosha, I know what that feels like. And I know it's not true. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not imagining it. Everything seems okay on the surface, but you feel like you're dying inside. I see you. Because I was you. This channel for women over 40. For surgical and natural menopause, for thyroid, endometriosis, food intolerances, chronic inflammation, for anyone whose body stopped responding and nobody could tell them why. There are plenty of channels for the young, for those who have never Googled their own symptoms at 3 a.m. wondering what is wrong with them. But there are places for us too, and here is one of them. Welcome to Body Rewired. This is not it. You are miswired, and we're fixing it together.